Okay.
What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al, man, and y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all, man. Back outside, man, after three, four days of straight rain and wind, we finally got another beautiful day out here, man. As you can see, everybody outside. You know, I had to pull the C8 out, it's only right. Ready for this good day, this good weather to be here every day, man, so we can keep bringing y'all hella content. And they got, it's like some chargers in there. All right, y'all, we back on the phone with it, man. I don't know, this camera done died. I had the GoPro, the Sony. I picked the Sony up when I was going to leave. That was dead. Like the GoPro dead. It won't come back on. Hopefully that footage don't get deleted. But yeah, man, we back outside, man, over here in Westerville. Getting ready to head to Cueto's basketball game. See what he gonna do today. See if he gonna actually play today, man. You gonna play today, Cueto? We're gonna see if he gonna play today, man. You gonna be standing out there, man, is you? We gonna see, man. He gonna be the rebound king. But I wanna see some points put up. Hold on, why I look like that? I done did. There we go. But yeah, we back outside. We going to this game. I wanna slide past the Easton and grab me some little things. I need some socks and some drawers, some fresh socks, and I need some fresh A1s. The few pair I got, man, they all dirty. And then shit, I don't know what else you'll get into. I might pull the grill out later on, grill. Try to find something else to get into. I'm just happy to be back outside, man. This hold on, let me get these directions together, boy. Turning right here. Okay. Shit, this is the first drive in the CA for real on the highway with that wing. Once you get to about 90, 85, 90, you can start feeling that wing flexing back there. You can feel the weight on it because it was super heavy. It was going in style, it was super heavy. So when that wind get on it, you can hear it real bad. Feel it real bad. But you know, I be cruising here. I don't be going that fast anyway. This is my cruiser. We need another Hellcat to play in. That's gonna be the toy to play in when we find us a Hellcat. I got plenty of content to come for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, like this video. We're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. Made it back to the game. Got the C8 and the C7 out. They won the first game. I forgot to record. I keep forgetting to record, man. I'm sorry the camera died. Should be back for the second game. This is the championship game, right? For the silver cup, I think. They the silver bracket. They got knocked out the gold bracket. Got the C8. I'm gonna get y'all some footage in here when we go in here. Travel, boy. Let's see scores. Let's see scores.
Exactly. 44-43.
Man, y'all both buns. Y'all both buns. Y'all only got 44.
Run that back. Are you on the record? Oh, man. Yeah, boy. I wasn't saying over here.
58 to 30.
Hey, he just tore you up. Oh. Fucking 67. Oh, he just smacked you by 30 cents. That's cool. I ain't got to look up there.
Trash. Oh, it's on me. It's on me, y'all. Time to go.
Okay. How much money you got on the game?
Just a yard, you know.
Allen versus Sticky. 171 to 103. Sticky about to lose $100. Sticky, you about to lose $100. You about to lose $100.
Hey, they ain't giving you your pins. It's up.
Okay.
That shouldn't have been a loss. It was the bad start, but he got me though. You run it back for 50? Run it back for 50? I'll go pay for the extra time. That was a fluke.